Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you my favorite makeup products and also some new ones that I recently purchased, and I also show you a little bit of my makeup routine, so hopefully you will like it. And yeah, let's start. Okay, so I am going to put my makeup on and I will show you some of my favorite products and some products that are new that I recently bought. So hopefully this is going to work out well, because I filmed this type of video a while ago and it just didn't go well. And I think because I always apply a lot of makeup, it's pretty heavy, but then on camera you can't see it much, so it just looks like I don't have barely nothing on my face. So this time I am just going to apply my makeup, but I will talk you through some of my favorite products so you can see some new things that maybe you will like as well. So yeah, let's start with the first product. And this one is rose water from doap brand that I recently discovered. And this one is a rose water toner, and you spray it in the morning, so to give yourself a fresh look. It is also giving you this hydration and just makes your skin glowing and reduce some puffiness. I love a lot of products that has rose essential oil in them. You can find similar products, for example, in Body Shop and maybe other brands, but this one is alcohol free. This has like super natural ingredients, so that's why I'm loving it, and you can feel it when you spray it on your face. It's very clean, and so yeah, I love this one. So you just spray it on your face like so and leave it to dry, and the smell is also very good. It's very soft and feels really fresh. I already applied my foundation, so I will now do my eyes and then also my contouring. So the foundation I'm using is Estee Lauder Double Wear, and sometimes I mix it with Double Wear Light as well. So from the same brand I like to use also eyeshadows. So I do have two palettes like so, and one has these colors, so and also some blush here. And then the other one is a little bit smaller, but I do use them quite a lot. I think I finished already everything, but I'm at the moment using the black one as well. So, and then also I'm mixing those eyeshadows with these ones from KIKO, and this is in number 10 and the light one is in number 51. So these are the ones that I am using daily. So yesterday I broke these ones, so I need to get the new one. I've never done this before, so I don't know how they do this. So I'm trying to put my mirror here, I guess, so I can see what I'm doing. So this one is going in the corners, and then I will blend this with my other shadows from Estee Lauder. So I'm going to blend those two shades together. And just now some blending. So now my brown ones I am mixing with these ones. As you see, one of my favorite colors. It's also a little bit like brown with a little bit purple shade mixed together. And sometimes I like to use gold as well. I have a little bit still left here, so I'm going to just put it a little bit as well. And then the corners meet here, so just connect the lower with the corners here, and again blend it out. Okay, and now I will apply also a little bit of my black eyeshadows, but on my daily makeup I don't like to use liner, so I just use eyeshadows to make a little bit like my eyes pop, but not as heavy as the eyeliner. So I have this angled brush, and I use this one to apply the black line. Okay, so this is for my eye makeup, and I will finish this with my mascara that I recently purchased, and this one is from Federico Maura, if I am pronouncing this correctly, so I will link it below as well. And this mascara gives you really full lashes, and the thing I like about it is the brush, because it looks really big and thick, but it really gives my lower lashes kind of full and long look. This one is really good if you like these type of brushes. I will do one eye first and then you can compare. Okay, so this one is done, and I hope you can see. I hope you can see also that the lower ones are now longer and fuller. I don't have a lot of lashes here, so it's good that this mascara kind of makes them longer and fuller, and also makes really nice upper lashes. Okay, so now eyes are done, and I will show you my next product that I recently purchased, and I really love it. So this is blush, and it goes as a stick, so looks like so. So instead of the regular blush, you can use the creamy texture, and it blends a little bit easier and also looks more natural. So I put one here and one here, sometimes a little bit on the sides as well. And then I take my brush and just blend it out. Okay, so, and as you see, when you blend it out, it's just very soft, very natural, and gives that healthy look. And it's also very convenient because you can just put it in your makeup bag and take with you, and it's just brilliant. Another thing, you can put highlighter, and highlighter is a thing now, so you can't put a makeup without highlighter, and I do use it a little bit so it looks natural. And two highlighters I've been using, these are not new, but I really love them. One is from MAC, and it's this one, like so. So this one is as a kind of like powdery based, and the cream base that I'm sometimes using is this one from Makeup Forever. I think I have this one forever. I don't remember when I purchased it, but it's still really good. I don't know if it shows on the camera as much as it is in the real life. Sometimes I like to put it on my cheeks here as well. So this is what I was talking about, because in the real life I can see it, it's pretty intense here, but then in the camera you can't always see it as much as in your daily life. So hopefully you can see something a little bit, but it works for daytime, so it looks very healthy. So. My contouring, I'm using palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the best contouring kit, and the shades I've been using are these, and as you see, this one is my favorite one, and now when it's finished I'm trying to mix these two together. So I've got my angled brush and I just do from here to my cheeks, and it is again a bit lower than my highlighter and my blush. And now I'm going to blend this with this brush, and it also has a little bit like angle, but it's more fluffy. So I'm taking these two colors and I will blend it all again here. And by the way, I'm using these brushes since my makeup course that I went 3 years ago. So and these brushes are still really good, so I will also link them below. And these are from Sarah Artistry, and she also has a makeup school, so you can check that out. And I love these brushes, they are amazing quality. So I do have a spot here, so let's ignore that. Let's cover it. That's done with contouring. And you probably noticed that I've got a little bit shiny in my forehead and kind of like my T-zone. So what I like to do is to use this Studio Fix powder from MAC, and I am running out of the powder as well, but I'm going to buy soon another one because this one is really good in shade NC30, and this one is good to cover this shiny bit. So and as you see, it just instantly makes it matte. And also you can take it with you in your makeup bag because it has also here this applicator, so you can just use it on the go. So now, not to forget about lips, and I like to use this lipstick from Bobbi Brown, and this one is in shade Boss Pink. So this is a matte lip color, and the color looks like so. And what I like to do is to blend it with my finger, so it doesn't have precise contours. And it's really popular now to have this type of look for your lips, and I love the look. So it's a matte lipstick, but you don't feel it. It doesn't make your lips dry, but it stays for and lasts for a longer time. And now I like to just blend it out with my finger. Okay, so is that it? I think that's it. And to finish it all, I just want to mention one more thing. And also from the same brand that I showed you my mascara, I do have Perfume that I ordered just recently. The good thing about them is that they're like a dupe to a very good and popular brands, and they do smell exactly the same. And I ordered 3. So these ones are still in packages because I just recently got them, and this one I've been using already for a while. So as you see, it's already gone. So I tested it out and it's really good. So this one smells exactly like Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, and it also lasts really long. So I tend to spray perfume on my clothes, not on my skin. And I can feel all my wardrobe is just smells amazing, and it lasts really long. And the smell is exactly the same, so I'm very surprised. And this brand is also much cheaper, and the reason is that they don't spend much money on packaging, on branding, but just focus on the product. So I will link also down below where you can order these products from. And the package looks like so, and then you open the box and you have your perfume inside. So yeah, and this one is exact dupe of Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium, and it smells exactly the same, and the smell is just amazing. It's really good for the winter and for going out, so it's kind of like that deeper warm smell. And the other one is completely opposite. It looks like so, the same kind of bottle. As I said, they don't invest in packaging, more kind of in the product. And this one smells exactly the same like Dior Joy, so it's completely opposite from the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium, and I wanted something a bit more fresh, something light, something easy. I love this one, so yeah. So these are 3 that I have, and at the moment I really like them. They are really good quality, and you can read more about the brand on Instagram, so I'm going to link everything below. Okay, so this is the final look, and hopefully you liked it, and all the products I've been using might be interesting for you as well. I will link everything down below as usual, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you will help me a lot, and thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one, and take care. Bye.